Hello guys, it's Sam. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing my annual What's on My iPhone but summer edition using iOS 16. Now the reason why I wanted to film this now is because I just watched the Apple event that was going on last week and iOS 17 looks so cool and it just got me in the mood for doing some new customizations and stuff like that. So I have my iPhone 14 Pro here and I just made it really customizable for summer with widgets and stuff like that. So I wanted to share it with you guys. I also haven't done a What's on My iPhone in so long, so I thought now would be a good time to do one. So with all that being said, be sure to subscribe. I have so many fun videos coming up and I'm really excited to just start posting more again on YouTube and everything like that. Thank you to all of you who stuck with me when I was away for like I think a month or two. I was just going through something and we're all good now and I am very happy to be back. With all that being said, let's get into the video. I will have everything that's on my phone that is not my personal picture on my Pinterest. Most of my widgets are from Pinterest and I will link it down below. This is what my phone looks like. I have it in the purple and I actually really like the purple color so much. My phone case is from Amazon. I will link it on my storefront and honestly, this is one of my favorite phone cases ever. It's just little strawberries, but I feel like it's amazing for summer and personally, I really like it. All right, so now going on to my phone, I'm going to screen record. This is my little lock screen. Now, for my lock screens, I do change them between this one. This is a picture of me and one of my best friends, Brianna, in New York City. I just really like this picture because it really reminds me of summer because of all the colors. And then the other one that I use is this one right here. This is a picture of me and my boyfriend in Florida. So I kind of swipe between those two, and then if I get a really good picture, then I'll switch it every now and then. But that is what my lock screen looks like, and I do like switching them just to change things up a little. Now going into my phone. So when I go into my phone, my little background is just this little colored wallpaper. I really like it. It has a little pink, yellow, orange in it, and I just think that those colors are so summery, so I wanted to switch it out. I used to have a white silk one, and I like this one a lot better for summer. My first page, I really wanted it to look so summery, like everything, and I've been seeing this brand go around on Instagram for so long now, and I really love it. I don't know how to pronounce it, but I'll have the name of it on the screen right here. I love it so much, and I just really wanted to be able to have something of theirs on my phone. So I went on Pinterest and I typed in the name and I found this little picture of like fruits, and it's like blueberries, strawberries, bananas, and I really love it. So I have that little widget there. Then I have my YouTube Studio app. I use that just to see my analytics for YouTube. If you have a YouTube channel and you don't have that on your phone, I would really recommend it just because it helps me out so much and it's so much easier than going on my computer. Next, I have YouTube. Obviously, I watch YouTube all the time. I love YouTube and I really fall asleep to YouTube videos. Next, I have my Pinterest. So if you go on my Pinterest, which again will be linked down below, I have a board where I literally just have everything that I do for my iPhone, iOS related. So if you go into this folder right here and then click summer, this is where you can find all of the widgets that I use, and then I'll add some more as well, just to give you guys a little bit of a big range to choose from. But this is my Pinterest. I love it so much. Pinterest is just something that really gets me in the mood to get inspired and stuff like that. So I really love Pinterest. Next, I have VSCO. I use VSCO a lot, but I use it more just to store my photos because when I do get a new phone or when I don't have those pictures anymore, I'll go on my VSCO and I'll literally just scroll through it sometimes and be like, wow, remember when I went to the Bahamas, or remember when I graduated college or something like that, and I'll just be looking through my VSCO and it just makes me really happy seeing all the pictures. Sometimes when I'm bored, I really like to do that. Then I have my calendar. I use the calendar a lot to just schedule things out. Then I have photos. I love photos. If you are someone who likes taking pictures, my best advice is to take pictures of everything, because when I look back at my photos, I may have 20,000 photos on my phone in a year, but looking back at those pictures, I'm so happy that I do because I have so many memories because of those pictures. And I kind of like looking at pictures because when I see them, I really just like how I can look at it and remember everything that happened in the moment of when the picture was taken. Then I have Gmail, and then I have my camera. Basically, I have my camera here just to remind me to take pictures because I used to be really bad at it, and ever since, I would say around like 3 years ago, I got better at it, and it really has been beneficial because, like I said, I love pictures. Next, I have this little widget of the beach with the sunset or sunrise, and I really love it. I love the colors. I think think it adds perfectly to the theme. Then I have another widget, and this is just a little heart that someone drew in the sand with a little starfish in the middle, and that just screamed summer to me, so I have that. Then I have TikTok. I do use TikTok sometimes. I am trying to get better at it. It's just, hey, it's Sam Costa. I'll link it down below, but I am definitely more active on Instagram and YouTube. Then I have Be Real. Be Real is one of my favorite apps because I feel like it's so cool that it was like designed to take a photo of what you're doing exactly in the moment. I don't know, I just think it adds to what I was saying about take pictures of everything, whether something funny happened or you're going to prom or whatever it may be. It will be very memorable, especially in the future, and that's what this app reminds me of. Then I have Instagram. For my Instagram, it's just sam.costa with 2 A's, and I've been finally posting more on Instagram. I haven't posted a lot this year at all from like September to now, just because I wasn't happy with my photos and my editing and everything like that, so I really haven't posted a lot, but I'm definitely getting back into it, and I am very active on my stories, so definitely go check that out if you want. Then I have Snapchat. I use Snapchat to stay in contact with my friends who I don't like text a lot, and then I do have some streaks as well, just again to stay in contact and see my friends' faces. Then I have my dock on the bottom. Now for that, I just have phone, Safari, and I have messages, just because with these I use them more frequently, so I put them on the bottom. Going on to my next page, I have a reminders widget. Now I made this widget a while ago. I followed Julia's iOS like customization video about her widgets, and she taught me how to make a reminders widget and make it look like this, and I love it so much. I will link her video down below, but I honestly love it, and I've kept it like that since. So as you guys can see, I have my Cancun trip coming up, and then I just have an affirmation that I like see every day so that I remember to stay positive. Then I'm going to see the Jonas Brothers with my friend Ariella. Chad's 21st birthday actually already passed, which is why it's at the bottom now. I made it so that it moves up by date, so I'm actually going to Cancun this week, so that's why that's there. Then I have little folders. Now in this folder, it's kind of like my editing folder, and the reason why I put like little emojis is because it matched what I wanted in the folder, and I thought it was cute. So the first thing I have is 1 second every day. I love this app so much. I'm not gonna lie, this year I started it, but then I was doing so much with my job that I just didn't like the videos and footage I was getting, so I stopped doing it. But I'll definitely be using it again next year. Basically what it is it's just an app where you take 1 second videos every single day for a year, and then at the end of the year it puts it into a video for you, and it's really cute and really good for memories. Then I have Lightroom. I use Lightroom for my editing, like thumbnails and presets and everything like that. I have Pixar and Fonto, which are things I use for my thumbnails. I have this app right here, which is so cool. Basically, it's like a disposable camera on your phone, and it's really cool because it gives you like a really cool print. So basically, if I take a picture, kind of puts this like film over it, and I think it looks really cool. Then I have Splice and Unfold. I don't really use these anymore. I probably could delete them, but they're just editing apps. And then I have Like to Know It. I just got a Like to Know It actually this year, so I definitely have to get better at posting on there, but if you want, I will link it down below. I'll definitely start posting outfits and everything. And coming into this next folder, I have by like food and like transportation apps. So I have Uber, which I mainly use for Uber Eats, but I will use it sometimes if I need to go somewhere. Then I have Starbucks. Love Starbucks so much, so that was a need. Then I have Grubhub, DoorDash, and Domino's. Honestly, I don't really know why I have a bow emoji there. I think it was just to match the vibe of like all the other color emojis that I was going for to match summer, but maybe it should be like French fries or something. Next, I have a little envelope, and this is because it reminded me of money, and that's because this is my bank/pay folder. So I have my Bank of America app, my Discover app, the wallet, then I have Cash App and PayPal. Next, I have my TV folder. So I have Netflix, I have Spotify, which I love Spotify so much, it's not even funny. I listen to music all the time, whether I'm at the gym, driving, or just laying in bed. Like, I love listening to music. Then I have Disney Plus, I have Prime Video, and Hulu. Then I just have this random little heart emoji, and this is for the apps that I use frequently, but not too much, that come with the iPhone. I have the Find My Friends app there because when me and my friends go out, when we lose each other, we have like everyone's location just to make sure that we're okay, we got home safe, if someone isn't answering, stuff like that. More of like for safety. And then I have FaceTime. I use FaceTime sometimes, but not too much. Then I have a shopping folder. So I have Amazon. I love Amazon. I have a big announcement to make soon that I haven't made yet, and I am really excited because I just purchased a lot of things from Amazon and they just came in, and I can't wait to show you guys. Then I have Urban Outfitters, Target, which I'm literally at every single day, Garage, Ardennes, and Etsy. Then I have this little folder right here. This is basically just things I need for my job, so I'm not really gonna go into that. Then I have this little little heart folder again. So this is my fitness folder. I don't really know why it's a heart. That doesn't match fitness at all. Well, actually it kind of does because it's good for your heart, so I guess it does. But I have the health app, I have my Apple Watch app, I have the fitness Apple Watch app, and then I have my Orange Theory app because I go to Orange Theory. Then I have another widget on the bottom. So for this widget, it's basically just like one of those signs. I don't know exactly what they're called, but it tells you which way Aruba is, which way Barbados is. And then I have another widget, which is very summery, and it's a girl wearing a hat with some beads on it, and she's on the beach with the sunset in the background, and I thought that was really cute. Moving over here, so we have some more little folders. So Freeform, I think that came with the new update for iOS. Then I have my little transportation flying folder. So I have the United app, I have JetBlue, I have New Jersey Transit, I have Park Mobile, which I just use to like park my car, and I can pay on my phone if I have to pay for parking. Then I have 2 hotels, which is just Hilton and Public. Next, I have this little folder. This is for my apartment. So I have Amazon Alexa, I have this little home security app. Then I have Luxor One, which is how I get my packages. It'll like send me a notification on my phone, and then it'll give me a code, and that's how I get into the room where my package is. Then I have US Bank and PSE&G. The reason why US Bank is here is because it's for my car, and I pay my rent and my car on very close days, so it just reminds me to pay my car lease when it's there, if that makes sense. And then PSE&G is just because it's like a home thing. Then I have this folder. I just have clock and settings in it. I do use my alarm clock every single day. I use settings fairly often, so that's why those are there. Then I have this folder. So this is just like my widgets folder and things I use for my iPhone. So I have the motivation widgets app, which is for my lock screen. I have color widgets, I have launcher, Lensa, and then CapCut is an editing app that I use for TikTok, so I don't know why that's there. I should probably go through that and fix it, but I'll do that later. And then I have my business folder, which is just like Teams, Microsoft, stuff like that for my job. Then I have Canva, which should be in my editing folder, and then I have HBO Max, which I just downloaded to watch Gossip Girl. Then I have another widget. So this is a widget of this girl just like sitting on a porch, wearing very summery clothes, stuff like that. The widget next to it is a widget of turtles that were painted on like a boardwalk, I want to say. So I thought that was really cute. And then I actually took the picture on the bottom. It was a sunset in LBI. That's basically all I have on my phone. And then I just have my apps that are hidden over here on the side. But honestly, there's not too many, so I'm not going to go through them because I don't even know where they are. If I go all the way to the left, I just have a widget of my boyfriend, which is a big widget in the middle. And then I have a widget of all my batteries. So when I have my AirPods and my Apple Watch, they also connect to this, and it'll tell me the percentage of all of them. And then I just have the NYC little world clock. So with all that being said, that's basically everything that's on my phone. I really like it, and it reminds me a lot of summer. If you stayed up until this point in the video, comment your favorite emoji, or if you don't have one, then just comment this emoji right here. But with that being said, thank you guys for watching. I am going to try my absolute best to be posting 2 to 3 times a week on YouTube starting this week. So please, please, please stay and subscribe if you want to join the family. Thank you guys again for watching, and I'll see you really soon in my next video.